People look here. That thing good?
Yeah, man.
I see the boy good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. A finesse, you know. 30-pound leader, what we say? 30-pound leader. The boy big?
Yeah.
Boy, massive, man, I like. Boy, a big man.
Somebody
Boy,
call. Somebody
boy, feel like a 15 pound.
Yeah, get a call. Yeah.
I'm a doctor. Nah, why people? Earlier I catch him but couldn't get the chance to video him. The boy look like about 15 pounds. You hear me I tell you? 30-pound leader, you know? Finesse. What we say? Finesse. Nothing heavy. That's how we deal with things, people. Yeah, man. One more upon them. Well, I biggest mountain stopper this for the year for me. Yeah, man. The boy about 15 pounds. I not lie. You know look it to you? I bigger, no joke. The big man can heavy a shed, man. Alright, people. What me say? One more upon them. You know, don't you think I'm just start. Yeah.